I like more than jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Whatever you wanna see is I don't really.
Hey you guys, this is Deja Lavish showing you how to revive and bring that Brazilian hair back to life. As right now you see my lace and I'm showing you all how it looks. Okay you guys, so this is a close-up of my lace. And you can see all the dirt and all the buildup that I use for my hair. And this is the hair you have seen in my videos and pictures. I'm going to show y'all after this. I'm going to show y'all some pictures of me with this the same exact hair and lace from prom. I also have brought this back to life, so you can see the hair, all that needs combing, it needs to be detangled, it needs to be brushed and combed out, it needs to be washed, it needs to be brought back to life. So basically all this hair I will be cleaning, bring it back to life, reviving it. So right now we're looking at the lace again, the close-up of it, all the dirt built up. You can see the stitching, you can see the stillness, how hard and stiff it looks. So right now ladies, I'm going to show y'all how to clean that and get rid of that all together. Because you know, this is some good hair. This is Brazilian 100% human hair. I got it from Gaga Queen. And I love it so much. Had this hair for a minute now. I like it. It's a 360 lace frontal wig. Well, part. Excuse me. But yeah, you can part it anyway. You can make it side part, middle part. You know, anything you want it. So these are the other tracks I have. I have got that brushed out and combed out. This is combed out and brushed out. This needs to be cleaned. So that really needed to be clean. I'm gonna go ahead and get right to it. So be careful when you're, feeling on your lace and stuff and touching it with the shampoo, because you can also cause it to tear and rip, because that can be so fragile. Also, if you got any stitching or holes in it, I advise you to be very, very careful with your lace. Or if it's to the point of there's no help in it, I advise you to get a new one. So right now I'm showing you a close-up of my lace where I have it parted it. Next time I'm gonna get a lace that's bleached, because I like the bleached laces better, instead of having to do all the work to melt it and it just looked disgusting like that, but it's okay, because right now if yours looking the same exact way as mine, do not feel bad, because we can get through this. You're gonna wash this nasty bundles with some Suave shampoo for the lace, only for the lace ladies, but use the Suave conditioner for the bundles so it can be more moist. So only use shampoo for the lace ladies, because you want to keep that bundles moist. Shampoo would draw the moist and makes it look stale and stiff. So only use shampoo for the lace. This is the conditioner I'm going to use for the bundles, because it keep it moist. So as of right now, you guys, I'm combing out the hair. I'm about to brush it out. Right now it looks tangly, as y'all can see how it looks. I got my hair from Gaga Queen. It's 100% human virgin hair. Virgin human hair. It's the Brazilian. The Brazil is 100% human hair. By the way, y'all, this is Brazilian hair. This hair is nice. I like it. So, y'all, this is what the hair look like right now. Comb it out. So right now it's tangled up. That's the word I'm gonna use for it. So right now I'm showing you all how to massage your lace. Right now I'm going to put some shampoo on it, and I'm going to spray it first with water so it can be, less hard feeling. It can be more smooth and more, have more value to it, because right now that mug is hard to touch. So right now I'm softening it up with some water. So I'm putting my shampoo on the lace, and I'm going to massage it very, very, very gently. So make sure you all massage it lightly. If you're heavy-handed, I'm heavy-handed. You can do this. Don't be too dramatic saying, oh, I can't. You can. So I only added more shampoo to get get all the oil out. Cause right now, you know how you mix water and oil and it don't mix, it don't work too well. So you got to get it all out. So in order for you to get it all out, you got to put extra shampoo out there so you can get all of that buildup out of there. Because you do not need any type of dirt in that lace if you want to use it again on your head. So I'm rubbing it again. I'm going to add some more shampoo up there too, you know. Just add some more so it can get the suds, you know. The suds let you know that it's a done deal, that it's clean. It's clean. So right now I'm picking up the lace edges that I have already pre-made for me, because once again I had used this lace before. So I'm getting all of that gel out, every single last bit of it. I'm scrub it out best as I can. Doing the best of my ability, because right now this lace, y'all, we gotta clean it because this is not it. I might add some more shampoo to it, because as you can see, the hair still stuck together. I need the hair to be spread together, as in what I'm doing right now, separating the hair. So I'm not being too rough, I'm not being too hard with it. But in order to get it out, you gotta have that firm grip to it. I'm kind of meddling with it right now. See how the hair sticking up now? They kind of separated apart from one another. The hair's probably like, thank God this girl done clean my down. Clean us apart, because shit. Damn. But yeah, I'm cleaning it out. So you can see some of the dirt that's like fondled with the shampoo. And you see it's coming off with the shampoo, off the lace. It's coming off. You can see it on my towel. All the dirt and all that was on the lace that built it up is on the towel. Well, most of it. Some of it, it's not even out yet. I still gotta scrub it out. I really can't believe I had it in my head. I'm just looking like, wow, this was some dirty, it's a dirty ass lace. But ladies, if yours looking the same exact way, once again, we're gonna get through this together in this video. I'm gonna show you how to bring your bundles back to life. Remember to use your shampoo. Be very, very careful with it. And also, as you put it in water, make sure it is cool water. Let it sit in cool water for a good 30 to 40 minutes. It don't even have to be that long. It could be 20 minutes, 30 to 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, don't matter. And you can let it sit in some cool water. So speaking of that water, I'm going ahead and throwing the lace in the water. It shouldn't be no shampoo on the bundle. It should be only shampoo on the lace and on the edges where the lace was at. So I'm gonna let that sit for a good 20 to 30 minutes with some cool water. And look at all that build-up's coming out of there. It's a process. You want to get through this. So y'all, this is all the gel and all the oil I have used for my hair, and the only thing I gotta do is rinse it out since the lace is now clean. So all I gotta do is rinse this out, because easy. You can see it flickering off with my finger, and that's all the dirt builder that came from the lace. The water was clear, y'all. All that is just disgusting. So now I'm about to take it out. It had been in there for about a good 20 to 30 minutes. And as you can see, all the oil and dirt is built up right there. As you can see, I'm taking it with my thumb. I'm moving it with my fingers. This is the other bundles I have with conditioner out there. I'm going to rub it in. Okay, you guys, the video had cut when I had rinsed the lace off. I'm sorry about that. I need to make sure my phone is A1, because I can't be having no messed up phone. But this is the hair. I had let it sit in the conditioner. You saw me through the lace in there. This is some real hot water, mind you. I gotta keep it moist and everything. So I'm putting all the hair bundles in there. I had let it deep cold wash for a good 30 minutes to be exact. So you can see me make sure it's in there, make sure the hair, feeling that water and that heat, make sure it's getting all that oil and all that oil sheen out of there, because baby, this water won't be looking the same. So right now I'm letting my hair sit, because if you use shampoo for your hair, it'll cause it to not moisturize. It'll take all the moist out and start shedding your hair real bad. So you don't want no shedding in your hair. You want every little piece of strand to make your hair look thick. So right now I'm letting the water drain. And this is all the hair. You can see the shine in it. But once again, I'm sorry for all the video being cut out, but this is the hair that I had washed out. All that hair right there, the same lace, the same bundles. I'll be showing y'all some previous pictures of the same bundles, but with me for prom back in May 2019. And I'll be showing y'all some more selfies after that. But I want to thank you all for watching. Hope you subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. I love you all.
On my neck, I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money, all I really wanna see is love. I don't really